what I did was go ahead and order a couple new shocks. We've got a couple rough country shocks here. So we've got the N3 shock. It's not the base shock, but not the absolute best one. It'll work for, everyday function on this pickup. A little bit better. Definitely better than the factory one. No leaks on this one, so we'll get these guys put in. All right, a shock is probably one of the easiest things you can do on suspension work, especially rear on a pickup. You've got your lower shock mount, travels up to the upper shock mount. On these F250s, the upper mount's just a stud and a nut. You just take one nut off the end of that and the shock comes off, and it's just one bolt right here. It's a 3/4 and 7/8, I believe. 13/16. I already took the old shock off. I've got the new one here. So all you're gonna do is slide that back on. Possibly. No. Helps if you go the right way. Trying to do this one-handed here. All right, so we got that part on. Then we can go ahead and get the nut on here. All right, this is the bad shock. I already got the new one in on the other side, but I'll just show you real quick here. See if I can do this. So, bottom bolt's out. Bottom half of the shock is ready to come out. Swap sockets here. So now we got to get to that top nut there. That nut is off. And that is how you take the shock out. Real simple. And to put the new one in, you just reinstall. All right, new one. I set up there. Reinstall the factory nut. Leave this band on. What I'm gonna do is, when you take this band off, it's gonna start to extend. Kind of let it sit right in there at the moment. Then I can get this bolt ready to kind of get through the shock bottom. There we go. So now we'll just reverse this. All right, top one is done. All done.